Do you like wasting time on boring, repetitive tasks? Yeah, neither do I. That's why today I'm giving you 8 AI tools you'll actually want to use every day. These aren't gimmicky, maybe I'll try it once kind of tools. They're practical, free, and they'll save you time, keep you organized, and maybe even make you a little smarter. If you're still doing things the hard way, it's time to stop. Let's get into it. Tool 1. Let's start with Copy AI. If you've ever stared at a blank screen wondering how to start an email, write a caption, or come up with a blog intro, this is going to change your life. You type in a few prompts, like, write an email to my boss asking for a day off but make it polite. And it generates options for you instantly. Say you're launching a new product. You can use Copy AI to generate Instagram captions that actually make people stop scrolling. Plug in a product description like handmade ceramic coffee mugs, and it'll generate captions ranging from sleek and minimalist to fun and quirky. This tool is also perfect for brainstorming blog titles, writing cold outreach emails, or even drafting professional LinkedIn posts. Students can use it for brainstorming essay introductions, and if you're in sales, it's a godsend for crafting pitches. The free plan limits how much you can use each month, but for most people, it's more than enough. Tool 2. Now, let's move to Trello. If you're one of those people who keeps trying to remember everything, stop. It's not working, and you know it. Trello is your digital assistant for organizing tasks, projects, and even your personal life. It's like having a virtual whiteboard where you can move tasks around as you go. Let's say you're planning a project at work, something with multiple deadlines and a ton of moving parts. You set up a Trello board, create cards for each task, and track their progress in real time. Here's the great part. Trello isn't just for the office and work. Planning a wedding? You can create a board to track everything. Venues, guest lists, budgets, and even your Pinterest-inspired ideas. Got kids? Use it to coordinate their activities, from school projects to soccer schedules. Want to get serious about your fitness goals? Set up a board to track your workouts and meal plans. Trello's flexibility is what makes it so great for everyday use. And with AI tools to help you automate boring tasks, like recurring reminders or sorting cards by priority, you'll never feel overwhelmed again. Tool 3. Speaking of multitasking, let me introduce you to Notion. If Trello is like a whiteboard, Notion is more like an all-in-one office. You can use it for everything: notes, databases, to-do lists, even journaling. And the best part is that you get to build it exactly how you like. Let's say you're managing a YouTube channel. Notion lets you create a workspace where you can plan scripts, track video ideas, and keep all your research in one place. And what's great is you can link everything together. Your to-do list connects to your notes, which connect to your deadlines. Notion isn't just for creatives or office workers, though. If you're learning a new skill, like coding or a foreign language, you can use Notion to create study trackers, log your progress, and store all your resources in one spot. If you love cooking, you can build a recipe database with links, photos, and notes on what you'd tweak next time. Notion is like Lego for productivity, customizable, endlessly useful, and once you figure out how to use it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Tool 4. Now, let's talk about email, the bane of modern existence. Missive is the tool you didn't know you needed. If your inbox is a nightmare, this will clean it up. What Missive does is simple but brilliant. It combines all your email accounts and even your messaging apps into one place. Everything is centralized, so you're not constantly switching tabs or missing important messages. Let's say you're running a small business. Missive lets you tag team members on emails, add comments, and even assign specific tasks. If someone asks for a quote, you can assign it to your finance guy. If you've got a customer complaint, you can pass it to support. Even if you're not running a business, Missive's features are ridiculously handy. Let's say you're planning a big family reunion. Missive lets you organize all the messages in one place, add notes about who's bringing what, and even schedule follow-up emails. to make sure no one forgets. It's like having an inbox that actually works for the you, not the other way around. Tool 5. If you hate making presentations, Gamma is going to blow your mind. Instead of wasting hours fiddling with fonts and layouts, Gamma does it for you. You just type in your main points, and it generates a professional-looking slide deck in seconds. Let's say you've got a work presentation on Thursday. You throw your ideas into Gamma, and it generates a clean, good-looking deck. Teachers can use Gamma to whip up class presentations without spending hours designing slides. Freelancers can impress clients with polished proposals in minutes. Even students can use it for projects. No more last-minute, ugly PowerPoint disasters. Gamma takes what you already know and makes it look 10 times better. Tool 6. Recast is the tool every podcaster, YouTuber, or social media manager needs. It's designed to take long-form content and break it down into bite-sized, shareable pieces. Say you've just recorded a 45-minute podcast. You could spend hours editing clips manually, or you could use Recast to do it for you. Let's say you're running a YouTube channel. Recast can pull the best sound bites from your videos, add subtitles, and format everything for Instagram or TikTok. If you're running a webinar, you can use Recast to create highlight reels. You can email to attendees. Even if you're just vlogging, Recast makes it super easy to reuse your content and reach more people without doubling your workload. Tool 7. Now, let's tackle the chaos that is your messaging apps. Texts.com is the one-stop shop for all your chats. WhatsApp, iMessage, Facebook, Messenger. Whatever you use, it's all in one place. Why does this matter? Because if you're trying to have work conversations, personal chats, and group texts going all at once, things slip through the cracks. Let's say you're a freelancer managing 6 different clients. Texts.com keeps all your messages in one dashboard so you can reply quickly, set reminders for follow-ups, and even schedule texts for later. On a personal level, it's great for keeping track of important messages, like coordinating with family or friends for big events. Instead of juggling apps, you've got everything neatly organized in one spot. Tool 8. Canva is hands down one of the best tools for creating anything visual. Social media posts, resumes, flyers, business cards, you name it, Canva can help you design it. The best part is that it's so beginner-friendly, you don't need any design experience. If you want to spruce up your resume, Canva has templates that make it look sleek and professional in minutes. If you're planning a party, you can design custom invitations or posters. If you need content for your small business, Canva's AI tools can help you create branded graphics, logos, or even product mockups. It's like having a personal designer on call, and the free plan covers so much, you probably won't even need to upgrade. There you go. 8 AI tools you can actually use every day without spending a single dollar. Whether you're trying to get organized, create content, or just stop drowning in emails, these tools will make a difference. They're not flashy or complicated. They're just practical. And hey, they're free, so there's no excuse not to try them out. Which of these tools have you used before, or are you thinking of using? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful or interesting, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.